Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper hen at home. So many of you guys will be doing lots of fun paper crafts, and this one will also be a really easy and cute craft to add to your craft haul. So as you see, this is a really easy tutorial of making a hen, and this one I just made in a really small size, so that will be really mini as well as cute. So I already made two, and this time I thought of doing one more hen in the color orange for in a bigger size. So in this video, let us see a tutorial for making this really easy and cute hen. So this will be a really easy, cute preschooler's craft as well. So you can show it to your little children and other siblings if you have like this tutorial, because it's really easy and also be a fun craft to do. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Now let's get into the video. So as you see, for these two, I just took 3 into 3 centimeter paper because I just made them in a really cute small size. So actually, I'm doing a small cute paper farm at my home. So I'm just making like small toys like these, like paper toys. I'm just doing that. So I just made these 2 hens for putting in that farm. So once it's complete, I'll post a video showing that farm to you guys. So first we'll keep this aside, and for now I'm going to be taking an orange color square piece of paper. So I'm just going to be keeping this hen as the mother for these two. So this is a 4 into 4 centimeter paper, and these two are 3 into 3s. So based on the size that you want, you can take the paper that matches that size. The first step is that we're going to be folding it diagonally like this. So once we complete this, I'm going to be opening it like this, and we're going to be folding both sides of the paper to the middle line over here. So please do the foldings properly, because it's only like it'll take like about 5 to 6 minutes maximum after you do all the decorations. And if you're only going to be doing the hen, that will only take like 2 minutes. So if you do not do the foldings properly, then you can't expect a proper output. So now we're going to be folding it on the opposite side of the paper as well. So now we'll be having like a diamond shape. So after we complete this, I'm going to be turning it to the opposite side like this. And we're going to be taking this bottom part, and we're going to be folding it to the top corner over here. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of pressure over here at the bottom to get the seals properly done. So after that's complete, we're going to be turning it to this side, and we're going to be folding it in half. So as you see, this middle part will be over here, and we'll be folding this in this way like this. So after we fold this, we'll be having like this on both the sides. So we're supposed to be opening it, and we're going to be folding it into this side. So as you see, we'll be having like a small boat like trapezium structure over here. So we'll be folding that inwards like this. So now we'll be having like a small triangle at the top and a small triangle at the bottom. So both of them will be in different sizes. So we'll be having it like this. So now we're supposed to be turning it in this way, and we're supposed to hold the top part over here and just pull this one out. So now we're supposed to take this and fold it. So this is really an important part to do, because if you do not do this properly, then the whole hen will be a flop. So I'm just going to be pushing it slowly out like this, and I'm going to be folding it. So just do it in whatever shape you prefer. So for example, this is the tail of the hen. So if you want it to be like close, you can do it, or if you want to make it bigger, you can do this. So you can stretch it according to what size you want. So I'm just going to be keeping it straight like this, and I'm just going to be applying some pressure over here. So as you see, the back part is ready. So now we'll move on to the top part. So for this, I'm just going to be folding it to the center like this. So we'll be folding it to get a triangular shape. So as you see, I'm going to be folding it until we touch this part. So I'm going to be folding it like this. So after that, we're going to be opening it, and we're going to be folding it to the back over here like this. So we're folding it to the back so that the foldings won't be visible, and our hen will be nice and cute. So now our hen is ready. So as you see, the nose is kind of small. So I'm just going to be making it a little more bigger, and I'm going to be folding it a little more inwards so that the nose will be kind of bigger. So now as you see, the size is increased. This, after we complete this, our really easy and cute hen is ready. So like now our hen is ready, but we're just going to be doing some small identification marks to make it look more like a hen. So for that, I'm just going to be turning it open this way, and I'm going to be folding the nose a little bit more this side, because as you see, the noses keep on coming down. So as we apply more pressure, the size of the nose will be perfect and stiff. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be opening this bottom part, and I'm just going to be keeping it open for a while. And I'm just going to be folding the bottom so that it will stand. So as you see, after we complete this, our hen will be able to stand. So now I'm just going to be turning it to the opposite side, and we're going to be starting with the decorations. So first, I'm just going to be keeping a small dot over here with a black marker, or you can even use like a black sketch or a black gel pen, it's up to you. So now I'm just keeping it near to the beak. So as you see, this is the beak of the hen, and I just kept a small dot over here which will resemble the eye. So now I'm just going to be drawing small like two threes over here. This is just like to resemble the flower, the feathers. So I just do like 3 squeezes over here at the bottom. So now we're moving on to the next important part, which is the top part over here, the red part. So you guys can take different color combinations as per your wish. So if you did, for example, if you did like your hen in a different color like red, if you do the hen in red, you can take this top part to be yellow. Since this is just like a cartoon hen, we don't have to make it really perfect. So you just try to match it, most likely it will be. So since I use yellow for this, I'm using red, and since I used orange for this, I'm also going to be using red for this one. So if you use different colors, you can take different combinations of colors, because it's your wish about how you decorate the hen. So now I'm just going to be taking a small red piece of paper, so I'm just going to be cutting it off. So it's better if you take like some bright colors and contrast colors with the other color you use. So this is just like a light orange, so this dark red would match it. So now after we take it, I'm just going to be drawing like a small curve over here, then one more curve at the top and one more curve at the bottom. So as you see, the cutting is not clearly visible, so I'll show you guys after I complete it. So after we do this, we'll be getting this as the output. So it'll be like a cloud in the red color, like this. So I just cut it out like this. After we complete this, we're going to be sticking it. So I'm just going to be turning it to the back side of the hen, and as you see, we have a triangle at the top. So I'm just going to be applying glue to the right side of the triangle. So after that, I'm going to be taking this and I'm going to be sticking it. So after you turn it, as you see, our hen is really cute and it's ready. So as you see in these two small hens I made, I colored this one into orange, and since this is also orange, I'm just going to be making it yellow. But since orange is more bright than yellow, I'm not going to be cutting it. Instead, I'm just going to be taking the remaining piece of paper that we had after I made these two hens, and I'm just going to be cutting out a small and cute beak. So this is not compulsory. You guys can do it just for more identifications. So as you see, after we do that, I'm just going to be opening this part up over here, and I'm going to be applying glue to the bottom part of the hen. So after that, I'm just going to be taking this beak and I'm going to be inserting it. So as I said, this is not compulsory. This guys can do it if you want. This is just for more identification. So after that, you can close this, and after you do it, our really cute hen is ready. So as you see, our hen is really cute and beautiful right now. You guys can do more decorations to make it more creative. So as you see, this is the mother hen, and we have two small cute hens over here. After we complete this, our really easy cute hen is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafticals. Before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. So as I said, I'm preparing a paper farm. So I'll try to post that video as soon as possible. So now the hen is ready, so I'll just make a few more cute farm animals and I'll put it in that farm, and I'll show you guys once it's completed. So that's it for today's video, and see you guys next time on Crafticals. Bye!